Mbarara to Kampala's Serena Hotel. After 17 years in ministry, gospel artist Lillian Nabaasa is taking Western Uganda's sound to the capital. At a press conference held at the New Pearl Hotel in Mbarara City this week, Nabaasa announced her first major Kampala concert, backed by Vision Group's Radio West and TV West. The event, set for 30th August 2026, marks a milestone for gospel music from Western Uganda.
Nyine konsati ebiro 30 byokwa munana ogw'omwaka Serena Hotel Kampala.
For artists like Julius Mohozi and Norman Shaka, the concert is about more than just a show. It's recognition of a mentorship pipeline that has shaped Western Uganda's gospel scene since 2009.
Mbweni nyenda kubasima munonga mwebare kunkureba Lillian bahika stage yo kuza Kampala mpera ninsima rahanga.
She has made me who I am. She's a mother, auntie, mweno mzire buzima.
As for Vision Group, the push to elevate Western Ugandan talent is culture.
Turiaha kubasa kureka ngutwabasa kutambuza urugendo rwa music n'ingenjiri ya mukama wuti Yesu Kristo ukorwa mu idara kuzumurindi. We are there for you. Radio West, TV West, n'izindi products zit zona iwe chikuru tushirire.
Kana beshongozi ba gospel bari okwe. Mwije twagire Lillian Nabaasa kurango music yetu ya Western Uganda ya rugayo.
For Lillian, the concert is a message to aspiring artists. Stay patient, stay faithful.
So mutagira competition kandi mutaje tunyenda kutandika kweshongora kugira ngo ninyenda sente apana. Yowo inokwetwa ko kweshongora wori umweshongozi otandikire gumiza mpora shaba mukama echawe torugamagara gensejo tachifunde.
Fellow artists and fans are mobilizing, buying tickets for others, and pledging live performances.
But then on top of that, I'm going to look for 500,000.
Yeah.
To hear as a ticket sabantu ababa barije.
Abera umunyano wanje kurugenye menyuma. Na hatia umunyano wanje mpaka misho konka show ye ninza kudisupportingana n'emitwaro 30.
Ekoti yari yokucheka amapesa ekachweke konka we are going there.
The lineup of support shows how deep Nabaasa's roots run. For fans traveling from Mbarara, buses are arranged at 80,000 Uganda shillings return, and this includes entry.
Oteke mumendo gwa tickets ezokwenda otemuka pin kawe ticket yawe ogumena yasumba kohereza message ahandi nobasa kuziha a Serena Hotel Kampala sales office. Ni Yesu.
This isn't just a concert. It's a collaboration of regional talent pipeline and media partnership driving national exposure.
Abandi nemipanjiriro iwe batakukangana bebyabo bibashobeire iwe Yesu jerahanga.
So, will you be there when the gospel from the West takes the Kampala Serena stage? Andrew Tushabe, Radio West Online.